Hey guys, this is SolarRag333 and I wanted to show a quick little mod that you can do with the old MP Seeker mold. I can't remember the exact number. This works with the original, and I think this is the MP-11 version. And one of the issues about this mold was how loose the torso was. It was on the slide and it would just be very loose. And I remember doing this mod years ago with Starscream, and I just never did it with Thundercracker, and I'd forgotten how to do it. And for years I had this little packet and I just never bothered doing anything with it until now. I got this at the Home Depot. I guess the brand is Hillman. 3/16 by 1/2 by 1/16 rubber washers. I think there was 4 in a bag. Probably like $1, I don't remember. It says 2, but well, yeah, 2. It comes with 2. And basically it's simple. What you do is slide this up, and you want to get to that screw right here, unscrew both sides, and then the washers are kind of big, so you want to cut them to the size of the screw so that it fits nice and snug in there. It might take a couple tries. I just wound up using an X-Acto knife and just cutting it around until it fit the shape there. And then once everything's screwed back together, it's now nice and snug. Does not interfere with transformation. So if you still have any of the old MP figures, the MP3 I think, the MP-11, yeah, just get one of these rubber washers and just make sure it's this exact size, 3/16 by 1/2 by 1/16. And then there it is, it works. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching.